Back when HDMI was first conceived, formats like 4K, 8K, and HDR weren't commonly available. In this video, we're going to show you the steps needed to enhance your inputs so that you can get the best out of your HDMI devices. From the home screen of your Android TV, make your way into Settings and then into Watching TV. Scroll down to External Inputs and then make your way to HDMI signal format. Here listed are your 4 HDMI inputs. In our setup, we have a PlayStation 5 plugged into HDMI 3. In this setting, I can now choose to either have it in enhanced format for Dolby Vision, or enhanced format so I can get the best out of my next-gen console. PlayStation 5 supports 4K at 120 frames, and so does this TV. I'm going to now select this, and I've now enhanced the input so I can get the best out of my next-gen console.